Dear kids, in my previous video, जो आपको मैंने अभी ऊपर आपको वीडियो दिखाई है, उसमें मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया है. ओके, आई हैव गिवन यू सम डेमो. Now I will explain these on the board with the help of the given bits. Circle the odd one out. What you have to do? I told odd one out means if जो भी आपको थिंग्स दी हुई है, वॉट एवर द थिंग्स आर देयर, उसमें से जो डिफरेंट है, ओके, दैट इज ऑड, दैट यू हैव टू सर्कल और दैट यू हैव टू पॉइंट आउट फ्रॉम देयर. ओके, and for that you have to understand the meaning of these words. You have to read the words, then you will able to know which one is odd here, which is the different here. First one is boat, car, ship. Okay, boat means everybody know, boat is a means of water transport. जो बोट होती है वो किस में चलती है? वाटर में चलती है ना. And second is car. Okay dear kids, car is a land transport. Land transport means वो land पे चलती है, road पे चलती है, road is land. Okay, ship, again we can say like boat, ship or is also a means of water transport. तो ये जो दोनों हैं ये वाटर में रन करती हैं. yes, ये वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट हुई जो पानी में चलते हैं, एंड ये जो है दिस रन्स ऑन द लैंड और ऑन द रोड वी कैन से. तो ये दोनों वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड दिस वन इज डिफरेंट ना, कार. सो व्हाट वी विल सर्कल हियर? डिफरेंट वन. यस, कार वी विल सर्कल लाइक दिस. इन एग्जाम you will get 3 options. आपको 3 ऑप्शंस है इन सीक्वेंस. you will get 3 options and the option that is different, that you have to tick there. Okay beta. Second is temple. Temple means मंदिर है ना. Hindus worship in the temple. Yes, temple means मंदिर, church. Christians worship in the church. जो क्रिश्चियन होते हैं वो कहाँ पूजा करते हैं? चर्च में. और जो हिंदूज होते हैं वो कहाँ वर्शिप करते हैं? टेम्पल में. एंड दिस वन इज स्कूल. सो दीज आर द प्लेसेस ऑफ वर्शिप. वर्शिप मीन्स यहाँ पे हम प्रेयर करते हैं, पूजा करते हैं. बट इन स्कूल वी स्टडी एंड वी लर्न मैनी थिंग्स with the help of our teachers. So which one is different? These are the places of worship जहाँ पे हम worship करते हैं, and this is the place where we study or we can say we learn many things there. So which one is different? This school is different now. So we will circle on the school. Now let us move ahead to third bit. Candle. Candle means, do you know? मोमबत्ती होती है, that is candle. Eraser. You are using eraser to rub, yes or no? When something went wrong, when you are writing something, if you have written there wrong, so you erase with the help of eraser. आप erase करते हो ना उसको, that is eraser. Next is pencil. You are using pencil to write. So these two things are stationary items. ये stationary items हुए, and this is not stationary item. So which one is different? This is different, candle. So we will circle on the candle, dear kids. Now fourth bit is there. Here 3 options are there: juice, rice, milk. Juice. Here you can observe that juice and milk, what we do, we drink these. These are the drinks we can say. These are the drinks and they are in लिक्विड फॉर्म, ये लिक्विड फॉर्म में होते हैं. बट राइस मीन्स चावल, राइस इज नॉट इन लिक्विड फॉर्म. ये दोनों लिक्विड होते हैं ना, लिक्विड मीन्स जो पानी की तरह होते हैं. यस, बट राइस जो है that is eatable, not to drink. So which one is different? राइस इज डिफरेंट ना, क्योंकि हम इसको खाते हैं, इन दोनों को हम ड्रिंक करते हैं. So rice is different, so we will circle on rice like this. Understood? Next, fifth is Mercury, Venus and Sun. Mercury and Venus you have studied in solar system chapter that there are how many planets? Total 8 planets are there. And Mercury and Venus are the names of the planet. ये planets के name है. But Sun is not the name of the planet. Sun जो है वो planet का name नहीं है. These are the name of planet. 8 planets के हमने name उसमें study किए थे. And Sun is not the planet name. So Sun is the different one na. Sun is the odd one na. So we will circle the odd one, Sun here. Understood? Now sixth one, potato, apple, pineapple. Potato means I have shown, that is aloo. Apple you know, pineapple also you know. Have you observed that these two, apple and pineapple, both are the names of fruits. ये fruits के name है ना. And this one is different because potato is the name of the vegetable. It comes under vegetable. And these both come under fruits. So which one is different? Potato. Yes. So we will circle on the potato, dear kids. Now let us move to the next bit. Seventh bit is there. Here, holy, teacher, Christmas. Have you observed, dear kids, that Holi is the name of the festival. We have studied in festival chapter ना, हमने read किया था ना कि festivals name. So this is the name of the festival, and Holi is a festival of colors. And this Christmas is also a festival, and we celebrate it on 25 December every year. Okay, so these two, Holi and Christmas, both are the names of the festivals. ये festivals हैं. Festival means these are the special occasions we can say. And this one is teacher is there. Teacher is different ना. ये दोनों जो festivals के names हो गए. और teacher we can say is a job or a profession or a person we can say. So this is the different. So we will circle on the teacher, my dear. Understood? Likewise, you have to read yourself. You have to understand. You have to observe. Then you have to circle the odd one. Eighth one is there, shirt. Shirt you are wearing in the school. That is shirt. Shoes. Shoes everybody know we are wearing in our foot. Okay. And this is socks. Socks also we wear with, I can say, or you can observe that shoes and socks make a pair. These are the compound word we can say. ये एक पेयर बनाते हैं ना, shoes and socks. Yes. And shirt is a clothing, है ना. So this is the different one, my dear kids. They make the pair. Yes, like bread and butter, shoes and socks. Shoes and socks. It make a pair. Compound word we can say. Like this, butter and bread. You have studied now कि butter bread also make pair. But shirt doesn't make pair with shoes or socks. So this is shirt is the different one. So we have to circle the odd one now. So we will circle shirt here, my dear.